Hey guys, hope you're having a fantastic day. On the video today, the second mistake that many sellers make when it comes time to sell their home. We'll talk about that coming up. Hey guys, your old buddy Tim back in the Design Center. Hope you're having a fantastic day. This is the second video in the series on mistakes that many sellers make when it comes time to sell their home. Now, in the last video, we talked about doing a cheap remodeling job, what I always call putting lipstick on a pig, and how that can come back to bite you in the backside. Today, I want to talk about not replacing older systems. Now, you know how this is. If you've ever sold a home, you know you want to get in for the most money, or you want to get out for the most money. You want to get out quickly. But if you've got an older home, 20, 25, 30 years old, and it has the original roof, the original HVAC system, the original hot water heater, the foundation that's had no work, chances are those items are going to come up when it's time to sell your home. Home buyers do not want to buy a house that will immediately need a new roof or need an HVAC unit or will need electrical. So when it comes time to sell your home, you need to look at those systems, and whatever needs servicing, whatever needs repair, whatever needs replacement, you need to think about doing it. And here's why. Let's say you've got a home, you know the roof is original, it's end of life, the water heater's end of life, the HVAC is end of life. It may still be functioning, but it could go at any minute. I guarantee you, unless you are selling the home as is, those items are going to come up. If the buyer doesn't immediately bring them up, they will come up during an inspection. The inspection report is going to come back and say the very same thing. If there is damage, it's going to note if it is end of life. It is going to note that it needs to be serviced, repaired, replaced. And this is where I see many offers fall apart. Everything is going along swimmingly. We think we've got a great deal until we get the inspection report back. And then there is just a long list of things that need to be addressed. And again, primarily, if you look at the big ones, the roof, electrical, plumbing, hot water heater, HVAC, whatever is under the house, foundation or crawl space. Those are what we call the big six. Those are the ones that are going to get the most attention, and those are the ones that will torpedo your deal every time. If you are a seller and you refuse to deal with those things, you might not only lose the current deal that's on the table, but you may also drive away buyers for future deals. I've seen it happen. I've had sellers who refused to make repairs, so the buyers just backed out of the deal. Well, the very next buyer that came along, same thing. They're going to do the inspection. Those items are still going to be there, and they're going to be an issue. So if you are a seller, I know it's hard. You need to pull every penny you can out of your house. But if the roof, HVAC, the major systems need repair in order to sell that house, you are probably going to have to make those repairs, or you are going to have to lower the price of the house accordingly. All right? If you need a new roof, if you need a new HVAC, now if the home needs $30,000 in just systems updates, you're going to have to ratchet that down off the sale price, because no one is going to come in and offer you that amount of money. And if they do, chances are their insurance or the appraiser is going to ratchet that down anyway. So there you go. You got to know what's going on with the older systems in your home if you do hope to sell it quickly and for a good amount of money. Hey, I want to mention our sponsors on the program. Stephen Allen with the mortgage firm. We call Stephen the Miracle Man, because he gets mortgages for folks when other people can't. And if you mention to Stephen that you heard about him here on the show, he is going to give you a $450 appraisal free. What a deal, right? Our other sponsor is Stan McDonald, his team at Jacob Title. Stan is the hometown closer. He can do all of the title work, all of the legalities, get it done quickly, painlessly for you, so you have an easy close. And if you mention to Stan that you heard about Jacob Title here on the program, he's going to knock $100 off your closing cost. So there you go. Reason number two, or mistake number two, that many sellers make when it comes time to sell their home. Hey, if I can do anything for you when it comes to real estate, don't hesitate to give me a call, 679-0704. You can find me online, tim@revolved.com. I'd be happy to come walk through the house, take a look at everything, and give you a really honest appraisal of the things that you need to take care of if you do hope to sell your house for top dollar. All right, that's it, guys. Get out there and make it a great day. I will talk to you soon.